In this video, you'll learn how to customize the Grid Views Preview section using the Custom Draw Row Preview event. Starting from a new WinForms application, I drop an XtraGrid control onto the form and dock it to its parent. I'll bind the grid to a data source by invoking its smart tag and clicking the Add Project Data Source link. I'll use an existing connection string for the Northwind sample database. I click Next and select the Employees table that will supply data to the grid. Finally, I click Finish to complete the wizard. I run the Grid's designer and switch to the Columns page to remove the unnecessary columns for this example. I close the designer and return to Visual Studio. Next, I need to enable row previews on the grid. To do this, I select the grid view and set its options view.showPreview property to true. I set the preview field name property to Notes so that it displays the text from the Notes field of my data source. Right now, the content is displayed in one line. To display it in 4 lines, I set the preview line count property to 4. Now I'm going to implement the code to display a corresponding image next to the text within the preview row. I select the grid view and create a handler for the Custom Draw Row Preview event. This event is raised each time a preview section needs to be repainted. I add the following code to the event handler. This will first draw a rectangle to display the text. Then, it will retrieve the corresponding image from the photo column and draw it on the preview row. Next, the text from the Notes column is drawn. Finally, the handled property is set to true so that no default processing occurs for this event. And that's it. I run the application to see the results. All the preview rows now contain a corresponding image that has been retrieved from the photo column of the database. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing DevExpress.